Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurul Fajriana. This time, I will present the result of my research by title The Effect of Bio-based Fertilizer Concentration on the Growth of Nitrogen Nutrient Inside Topsoil Alfisol on Growth and Yield of Melon. Introduction. The Bio-boost is a biological fertilizer containing superior soil microorganisms, which is useful for increasing soil fertility as a result of soil biochemical processes. The Bio-boost biological fertilizer contains azotobacter, which act as a nitrogen fixer. Azospirillum sp. as a nitrogen fixer, Bacillus as a decomposition of organic matter. Pseudomonas play a role in decomposition of pesticide residue, and Cytophaga plays a role in the process of decomposition of organic matter. Organic cultivation is mostly done because it's considered friendly to the environment. For example, in melon, organic melon products have a better quality than inorganic melon products. Melon is a horticultural commodity that has high economic value and is profitable to be cultivated as a source of income for farmers. Melon, with a sweet taste, is a source of vitamins in the diet of Indonesian people, as well as raw material for process industry. The short harvest period and the high price of melon make melons a leading business commodity. The decline in melon production is due to reduced agricultural land, but the availability of nutrients in the soil due to use of chemical or inorganic fertilizers. To overcome this problem, a study was carried out using polybags and as alternative to using narrow land by using planting media from the topsoil of alfisol soil by giving various concentration of bio-based liquid fertilizer to the growth and yield of melon. The use of topsoil alfisol planting media is because alfisol is relatively the young soil. It still contains many primary minerals that are easily weathered, crystalline clay minerals, and rich in nutrients. This soil has high alkaline saturation, CEC, and high nutrient reserves. Alfisol are soil where there is accumulation of clay in the lower horizon. Clay that is deposited in the lower horizon comes from the horizon above and is washed down with the percolation water movement. However, over time, the use of soil for agriculture, the nutrient element decreases. In addition to the high rainfall in Sorong Regency, West Papua, the leaching of nutrient is getting bigger, especially about nitrogen nutrient, which is macronutrient in the process of plant growth where young was and lost. Therefore, the addition of bio-based fertilizer was carried out to increase the availability of nitrogen elements in alfisol topsoil. Then, materials and method. This research was conducted in Jamaimo Village, Maria District, Sorong Regency, and analyzed soil sample at the Chemical and Soil Fertility Laboratory of the Soil Science Department, Faculty of Agriculture, Hasanuddin University, from July to November 2020. The tools used in the study were measuring cups, watering pot, writing instrument, scale, turrets, and the materials used are alfisol topsoil, sample, biobos biofertilizer, polybag, and melon seeds. This study used a single factor with a randomized block design consisting of 4 levels of treatments. Each treatment was repeated 4 times to obtain 16 experimental units. The BioBOS concentration treatment is as follows. P1 by treatment with a concentration of 500 milliliter of BioBOS plus 1000 milliliter of water. Then P2 treatment with a concentration of 700 milliliter of BioBOS and 800 milliliter of water. P3 treatment with a concentration of 900 milliliter of BioBOS and 600 milliliter of water. P4 treatment with a concentration of 1,100 milliliter of BioBOS and 400 milliliter of water. The appropriate mathematical model in this study is one-factor randomized block design by Gaspar, 1991. And then result. The result is from the table, the result of analysis of soil property before and after planting. From the table, it can be seen that there is an increase in the chemical characteristic of the soil before and after planting. Each treatment shows a significant increase in chemical property, where P4 of all chemical property show the highest increase among the others. Two, the correlation of BioBOS fertilizer concentration level to the increased nitrogen in topsoil. Picture 1, the result of correlation. And from the graphic, we see the correlation is 0.9627. 3. The correlation between the increase in the C/N ratio on the observation parameters of each method. A, plant height, and B, number of leaves. From the graphic, we will see that R plant height is 0.9066 and B for number of leaves is 0.8656. And C from the observation parameter, fruit weight is R0.9627. Fruit diameters is correlationnya R is 0.9808. From the table, can we see that increase the characteristic of soil chemical. The results show that the treatment of BioBOS fertilizer concentration had a significant effect on all observed parameters based on the result of the initial soil analysis presented in Table 1, the N content in the topsoil alveoli is included in the low category, which only reaches 0.16%. This indicates that the nutrients contained in the BioBOS liquid organic fertilizer can increase the nutrient content in the soil so that it can be absorbed by plant, which can affect the growth. We can see that it can be absorbed by plant, which can affect the growth and production of melon. The limiting factor of C organics and N nutrient and holding power of pH and CAC can be overcome by applying fertilizer so that increased soil fertility can be obtained, which can use for plants to be optimal in the growth and the yield. Provision of BioBOS biological fertilizer containing microorganisms that can accelerate plant growth, namely N-Pixin, namely Azotobacter, where nitrogen can stimulate plant growth. This is supported by Manuhutu 2014, who stated that the benefit of BioBOS are to accelerate growth so that it grows faster. This is because the content of the BioBOS biofertilizer contains superior microorganisms that are useful for increasing soil fertility. As a result of soil biochemical process that exists in growth process, where the microorganism contained into BioBOS fertilizer are bacteria Azotobacter, Azospirillum, Bacillus, Cytophaga, and Pseudomonas. This is because the fertilizer is one of the biological fertilizer that contain superior microorganism and is useful for increasing soil fertility as a result of soil biochemical process. These microorganisms include Azotobacter and Azospirillum, which acts as nitrogen fixer. Nitrogen is used by plants for vegetative growth, though the processes of forming amino acid and protein. Protein is the main constituent of the protoplasma, which function as the center of metabolic processes in plant, which will further stimulate cell division and elongation. A high nitrogen supply which accelerates through the conversion of carbohydrate into protein and is used to build cell walls. And the conclusion, the results show the higher that the concentration of BioBOS fertilizer, the higher the nitrogen and C organic elements contained in topsoil alveoli and the optimal growth and yield of melon. Provision of BioBOS biological fertilizer containing microorganisms that can accelerate plant growth, namely N-Mixin, namely Azotobacter, where nitrogen can stimulate plant growth. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.